So you're looking to buy a home. What kind of buyer are you? What kind of buyer are you? What do I mean? I mean, are you someone who's always looking for a deal? You never want to pay full price? Or are you someone who doesn't care about the price as much? You want to get the best house, you want it to be ready to go, and you can just move in, right? Two different buyers. You need to understand who you are. So let's take the first one who's looking for a deal, right? You like to find a deal, but you want to go out and see the newest houses, right? They're new on the market, they're in high demand. Guess what? You're going to be frustrated because most of those properties still in this market in mid-September, right now 2024, in the Montgomery County, Maryland area, and Potomac, Bethesda, Chevy Chase, Silver Spring, you name it, they're still getting 1+ offers. Yes, they still are. 1.7 was the average from our office as of last week. We have over 400 realtors that we pull this data from. So you're going to be frustrated because they're still going to get offers that are probably at list price or above, and the terms are not going to be such that you probably will be able to navigate through. So what kind of properties should you be looking for if you like to look for deals? Homes that have been on the market for at least 3 weeks, a month plus, 60 plus. Now you're really going to have some opportunities. Why? Because you have sellers, especially if the home is vacant, right? If the home is vacant, they're either paying a mortgage or they're still not getting their cash out from that house and being able to do something with it. It's locked in there. So you look at those homes and you look for the ones that maybe have what you want. They're in the area that you want, but they're ugly. Even better, because now you're going to have a chance to bring the price down, which is what we would do for you, and then increase the value by making some improvements. And sometimes they're not really big improvements. It's just cosmetically ugly. Maybe a wall in the kitchen could come down. Maybe a few other things could be opened up, and then all of a sudden an ugly yard could be transformed, and now you have a property that has increased value. It looks better, and it might have been a place that you would have targeted, right away, because it would have been a high demand property, but because the way it looked, it wasn't high demand, and you got it at that value price that you were looking for, maybe even better. Those are the properties you should be going after. And of course, if you're someone who doesn't care and you just want a pristine property that's ready to go, then just be prepared to know that it's still a competitive market. Doing pre-inspections and things like that and being on top of things early and fast is necessary, because sometimes sellers do take offers really, really quickly. You never know their situation, right? They may not want people in their house. They may just want to be done with it. And so even though they just put it on the market for a day or two, someone comes in with a compelling offer above listed price with no contingencies, and they just snag the house that you wanted. So know what kind of buyer you are, and it will make the buying process a lot easier. That's something we go through here at Fitz Homes. We navigate the process from the beginning to make sure we're targeting the right homes, and then we help you to get those homes at the best price always with the best terms. But number one, we want to make sure you get what you want. If you need any help, call or message me, 240-687-2650. Hope you have a great day.